This is HUAWEI Nova Y91, and today I will show how you can add an event to calendar on this device. So first you will need to find and launch the calendar app. So here it is. Then select the date for your event to happen. Tap at this plus icon at the bottom. Then add all the details that are, well, needed to be added, such as title, location, time frames, repetitiveness, so there is a chance to make this event a reoccurring one. Then you can set up the reminding preferences for this event, thus you'll be making extra sure that you will not forget about this event, marking it as important or not, change the account it will be saved to, or write a brief description. Once everything is set, tap at this done icon, and here's the result. So that'll be it for this video. Thanks for watching, thanks for your attention, and bye bye.